It would be remiss and unprofessional of the Maverick to ignore the controversy involving Mount Pleasant heading into the JPL playoffs. The accusations are that Mount Pleasant have committed multiple breaches, including the use of ineligible players and the use of too many international players, with the big elephant in the room being that the same JFF that is looking to hold Mount Pleasant accountable for these breaches is the same JFF that gave Mount Pleasant the requisite clearance and documentation to allow these same players to play in the Jamaica Premier League, which as usual is causing some embarrassment to the JFF. One thing for sure, Mount Pleasant will be the most motivated force coming into the playoffs. Then what you mean? They must be saying them couldn't stop we from dominating the regular season. So they've resorted to these underhanded and off-the-field tactics, accusing us of what we are not aware or guilty of. Watch we and them when the playoffs start. Hey, let the playoffs begin.